doing, have you?
Hello, I need to speak to somebody who can speak a Chinese.
I am.
Hello, how you doing? Sao anh ấy hả?
Yeah.
Say hả?
你要怎么样?
Đó mà, xong đi không? Điểm lắm đớm.
Huh?
Đừng nắc đơ vai.
I don't understand what you tell me.
No, look here, I speak a Vietnamese.
Yeah, what you need?
The shit, I need to make order today.
No, it's too late. Bye.
No, hello, look here, big boy. I need to make big order for
$500.
$500. I give you.
I don't care.
You fuck you, bitch.
So I'm going to show you exactly how this video was made first. I went to YouTube and found a viral video. I used a video downloader to save it to my computer. Then I extracted the audio and saved it as an MP3 file after that. I uploaded the audio to Talking Photos. It's saved under my media library in a folder called Memes. You'll see the phone audio right here in MP3 format. Next, I used the same platform to create the characters I went to. Fantasy Animal Video, which is how I generated characters that could look like they're talking on the phone. For this one, I created a male character described as a Chinese man on the phone. I kept generating until I found a character I liked. This is the one I chose. Let me show you how it plays.
Now stop when I settle this. Hey, is this Adrian? I said, is this Adrian?
Looks pretty good. Even though the eye movement is a little off, I'll fix that later now. I just copy this character and match it with the first part of the audio. For the file names, I labeled them clearly like Old Man Chinese Man and The Prank. I already had a younger guy on the phone character too. That was my first character. And this is the one I used for the boy in The Prank. Since the audio file contains both voices, I used the same audio for both character videos. Now I've got two videos, one of the young boy and one of the older man. These are the two clips I'll use to build. The full conversation, once both are done generating, I download them to my computer so I can start editing. After downloading, I import all three files into CapCut. I actually made a few versions. Since the software lets you generate as many as you want. I chose the two versions I like most. For the final video, I used a generic voice at first, just to test the character.
Angry Asian restaurant prank.
But I didn't use that version for this project. Now in CapCut, I import both character videos and start cutting them up. I expand the timeline so I can see where to cut, and I go through the audio to find each speaking part. I use Ctrl+A to highlight everything and Ctrl+B to make cuts, especially when there's silence, which means the speaker has changed. I'm not doing the full script here, just enough to show the idea. I make a mistake, I hit Ctrl plus Z to undo it.
Doing, have you?
Hello, I need to speak to somebody who can...
Doing, have you?
This is the old man part. As you can hear, I cut the clips accordingly and delete parts when needed, so only the correct character is speaking.
Have you?
Hello, I need to speak to somebody who can speak a Chinese.
I am. I am.
As the characters talk, you'll see the video update with their scenes.
Yes.
I am.
Hello, how you doing?
Sometimes I flip the character using the mirror tool, so they're facing the right direction in the scene.
Sao anh ấy hả?
Yeah.
Sao hả? Sao hả?
你要怎么样？
Đó mà. Sao... Đó mà, xong đi không? Điểm lắm đúng.
Huh?
This process is really just about switching between the old man and the boy, cutting up those scenes.
Why?
I don't understand what you tell me. I don't understand what you tell me.
No, look here, I speak a bit.
Just be careful and precise when cutting up your clip. Yeah, the whole thing does not take long once you get used to it.
I don't understand what you tell me.
No, look here, I speak a Vietnamese.
Yeah, what you need?
The shit I need.
That's the part where the old man actually hesitates. Like, damn, that's a lot of money, so I cut out the boy's part and keep the reaction because it makes the scene funnier.
Yeah, what you need?
The shit I need to make order today.
No, it's too late. Bye.
No, hello.
By no, hello, I saved that section as part 1.
No, it's too late. Bye.
No, hello. Look here, big boy. I need to make big order for $500. $500. I give you
I don't care.
You fuck you, bitch.
And that becomes the first piece of the video. One cool thing, you can pull audio or conversations from anywhere on the internet and use them the same way I did here. If you are curious about making passive income from tools like this, stick around. I am breaking down the newest AI tools every week. Subscribe, turn on notifications, or keep sitting on the sidelines while others cash in. Because at the end of the day, the only thing standing between you and your next chapter is action. You can scroll, you can wait, or you can build. Right now, your move. Let's make this money.